In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Labubu dolls from AliExpress. So in order to buy Labubu dolls, first things first, head over to aliexpress.com. You don't need to sign up or sign in for now since if you actually purchase it, you will be prompted to do so. First things first, go over to aliexpress.com and then click onto this search bar and search in here for Labubu. You can also input clothing and likes, but for this one, let's input Labubu doll original. And then tap onto the search icon right here. Now this will load for a little while in order to show you all of the dolls that you can actually purchase. So as you see, some of those dolls are relatively cheap and you can just cross sale if those Labubu dolls are actually legit. You can base off how many has been sold for now. As you can see, this one has thousands, this one has hundreds, and the likes. So, for example, you can choose just one that you want. So, you can add those by clicking on this plus icon right here. Then, after that, this will open in here a new tab. Now, into this part, click onto this buy now or add the cart button. And once you have done that, you will be prompted to input or sign up and sign in. And then you input your address and payment information. And after that, you will be able to buy the dolls. So that's all there is today. And I hope this video helped you out.